Good morning, students. Today, myself Pandav Kumar. Today we are going to start your first class of science of class 7, that is acid, base and salt. Now, many of you are thinking that why I am starting this chapter acid, base and salt, because among first 4 chapters acid, base and salt is having much more importance than other chapters, because in senior classes also you have to deal with this chapter. So today's topic will be acid. Now, what do you mean by acid? The word acid came from Latin word that is known as acidus. Acidus, that means sour. That means we can say that any substance which are sour in taste is known as acid. Any substance which are sour in taste is known as acids. Acids can be categorized into 2 groups. Acid can be categorized into 2 groups. First group, organic acid. Second group, inorganic acid. First group, organic acid, and second group we are having inorganic acid. Organic acids are natural acids. Organic acids are natural acids, but inorganic acids are mineral acids. They are factory made. Naturally we are getting the organic acids, and inorganic acids or mineral acids we are getting in the factory. So since they are organic, they are not affecting our body a lot. Means we can say that organic acids are not dangerous for the human body. Not dangerous, but in the sense that in a limited amount. If you will take an excess amount of organic acid, surely it will affect your body. Now, first thing we have to learn about from where we used to get the organic acids. In your home, when you are eating different kind of food item, all items which are sour in taste are known as acids. For example, first thing, curd. Surely in this lockdown period you are in the home, at your home you are enjoying the curd a lot. That curd contain acetic acid. Second, apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apple contain malic acid. Cold drinks, you are enjoying the cold drinks a lot, and in the last I will explain you about the cold drinks fact. In cold drinks we are having the carbonic acid, so don't drink too much cold drinks. Lemon, citric acid, tamarind, tartaric acid. So these are some substances or eatable items I have taken from the day-to-day life that we are enjoying. They all contain organic or natural acids. They are not affecting our body a lot, but the condition applied that we have to take in a limited amount. Now, second thing we have to learn, that is inorganic acid, or you can say mineral acid. Since inorganic acids or mineral acids are made in the factory, surely they are danger for our body. So we have to be safe and we have to protect it from us. Now, first thing that we have to learn about in inorganic acid, that is known as sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. For common we are taking sulfuric, but actual spelling of sulfuric is sulfuric. Actual spelling of sulfuric is this one, but in day-to-day life we are using the spelling this one. Sulfuric acid formula is H2SO4. Sulfuric acid is made up of hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. So sulfuric acid is made up of 3 components: hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. And this sulfuric acid is known as father of chemicals. Now you are thinking that why sulfuric acid is known as father of chemicals. So answer is that sulfuric acid is known as father of chemicals because it is used in almost every chemicals or any other acids. It is used in the manufacturing of other acids, It is used in the manufacture of different types of chemicals, fertilizers. So it is known as father of chemicals. We can say it is known as father of chemicals. Now, this is very dangerous. This is corrosive in nature. If it will fall in your body, it can burn your body. So we have to protect ourselves from the sulfuric acid. Our second acid, that is known as nitric acid. Nitric acid is also an inorganic acid and dangerous for our body. It comprises of hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen. It comprises of hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen. Now, in nitric acids, we are just like that. Here we will learn that what are the uses of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid, I have told you that it is used in the battery, fertilizers or other chemicals. Second, nitric acid. Nitric acids are used in the manufacturing of plastic, fertilizers and other chemicals, dyes, you can say. So, nitric acid is also dangerous for our body, but the most dangerous, that is sulfuric acid. Now, third one, hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid are dangerous or useful both for our body. Dangerous in the sense that it is made up of hydrogen and chloride. It is made up of hydrogen and chloride. When it is made up of hydrogen and chloride, that means hydrochloric acid used in the manufacturing of bleaching powder, fertilizers and other chemicals. But one importance of hydrochloric acid is that hydrochloric acid is present in our stomach, and when you used to take the food, that hydrochloric acid added with the other gastric juices, they help in digestion of the food, that is beneficial for our body. Now, in the last fact about cold drinks, nowadays all the students or the children, they are especially very fond about cold drinks. Every time they need cold drinks, but for your kind information, cold drinks is very dangerous for the human health or to reduce our immunity. Now you are thinking that, sir, how it is possible that cold drinks is dangerous? Then the answer is that cold drinks contain, already I have told you that cold drinks contain carbonic acid. Cold drinks contain carbonic, and when this carbonic acid is added, cold drinks contain carbonic acid H2CO3, and when this carbonic acid is entered in our body and react with our bone, and our bone contain calcium, then this calcium and carbon dioxide react to form calcium carbonate, and this calcium carbonate is soft and porous. So if you are enjoying the cold drinks, means you are making your bone porous and unhealthy. You will be greater risk of fracturing your body. So in order to increase the immune system and to protect your body from any types of illness or damage, you have to leave cold drinks. Don't drink the cold drinks. Now, after acid, we have to learn about bases and salt. So what do you mean by bases and salt? Just like acid, we have to learn about the bases. Bases are the substance which are bitter in taste. Bases are the substance which are bitter in taste. Bases are the substance which are bitter in taste. In day-to-day life, you are enjoying the base, you are using the base just like that. Suppose that washing soda, that is a base. In day-to-day life, when you are using a washing soda, that is also a base. When you are using your Colgate toothpaste, you are using, that is also a base. You are using a different soap, that is also a base. But bases are of also two type. That is strong base and weak base. Now you are thinking that which are strong and which are weak base. Strong base is NaOH, sodium hydroxide. hydroxide are strong bases, and in weak base we can say potassium hydroxide. So these are the strong bases in day-to-day life when we are taking these bases. But these bases are have some importance that we will learn in our next class. Now it's the time for your assignment. Watch the video properly and try to do the assignment. Thank you.